Hello everyone, Ray from Babco here. Frequently asked question, what if I've got a really low car? Can I get it on a two-post lift? Yeah, you can. These things are available with low profile arms. These actually are. The part that's going to make contact is going to be at the rocker of the car, but sometimes you have to come up higher. If it's the pad, it's a simple thing. These have spin ups and spin downs. Let's say you still can't get it on there. You simply drive the car up onto something. Put some slats of 3/4 inch plywood and just drive the car up onto that and swing your arms in. Now, the 3/4 inch plywood that you just drove up on might interfere with the arm as well. So that, what a lot of guys do is they have 4 pieces of plywood or other material. They bring the car into just about where they're going to place it for proper placement. They put these in front of the wheels and they just drive up onto it. Sometimes a 3/4 inch piece of plywood with a little bit of a taper cut into it works perfectly. Drive it up onto there and you'll be able to swing your arm underneath and get at it. Just be creative. Find a way to just get the car a little bit higher off the ground.